So you've made your first jump rope and now it's time to share it with the world. I'm Austin, Jumprope's beauty content director, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your video from the Jumprope app over to Instagram and a couple of other tips for how to promote it.
If your video is under 1 minute long, you can share it to your Instagram feed directly from the Jumprope app. If your video is longer than a minute, try sharing it to IGTV. You can even create a series to help categorize your videos. For maximum impact with IGTV, be sure to share it to your feed to increase views. You can also edit the preview exactly how you want it. Try sharing your jump rope to your Instagram stories so users can tap through it at their own pace. If you share your jump rope to your feed, you can tease it on your Instagram stories. Download the first stories export that we generate for you. Finally, if you share your video to IGTV, you can have users swipe up from your stories to view the video.
Still need help? Feel free to chat us here on the Jumprope app or send us a DM on Instagram. We're always around to answer any questions that you might have. I can't wait to see what you create.